Ever wondered why, after all those morning walks, your legs still feel stiff, your balance a little shaky, and your energy keeps slipping away? According to new heart studies, the exercise you've trusted for decades might not be protecting your heart the way you think. Yes, walking. Pause. Tone drops in a recent heart health briefing. Top surgeons revealed that walking alone may no longer be enough after 75. Heartbeat, pulse, sound. Visual, doctor shaking head, and here's the real surprise. 2 tiny moves under a minute each could do more for your heart than an hour-long walk. Visual, stopwatch. Animated heart lighting up. Imagine that a stronger heart. Steadier legs and renewed energy without ever stepping outside. Soft, hopeful tones. Stay with me. Because once you know why doctors are calling these the body's hidden fountain of youth and movement, you'll never look at walking the same way again. Asterisk. Now, you might be thinking, skip walking? That can't be right. But here's why today's title says exactly that. According to leading heart surgeons, walking alone simply doesn't wake up the critical muscles that protect your heart, your blood flow, and your balance after 75. The shocking truth is that most seniors are unknowingly overworking the wrong muscles while the ones that truly matter are falling asleep. That's why the phrase "goodbye old age" isn't just a catchy line. It's what these 2 simple movements are helping people experience. Surgeons are now saying that these targeted moves send a powerful signal to your heart and brain, the kind of activation that walking alone can't give anymore. So yes, the headline sounds bold. But when you hear why these 2 actions outperform a 30-minute walk, you'll realize it's not hype, it's hope backed by science. Asterisk. I'm honest. Have you noticed how your legs sometimes feel heavy, even after a short stroll? Or that your energy seems to fade faster these days, no matter how faithfully you take that morning walk? Maybe your knees ache more, your balance feels less stable, or your heart races quicker than it used to. You might shrug it off as just getting older. But what if those are signs your body is asking for a different kind of movement? See, after 75, your body doesn't respond the same way it used to. The muscles that once kept your heart strong and your steps light begin to weaken silently. Walking alone can't fully reach them anymore. But here's where it gets fascinating. A growing number of cardiologists now say that 2 simple actions, yes, just 2, can reactivate those sleeping muscles, boost circulation, and give your heart the workout it's secretly craving. Curious what they are? Stay with me, because once you hear this, your entire idea of what keeps you young and strong might just change forever. Asterisk. So, what are these 2 things that top heart surgeons are suddenly calling the smarter alternative to walking? The first is something so simple, most people overlook it: controlled seated leg lifts. Done slowly, they activate the deep stabilizing muscles in your thighs and hips that walking barely touches. These muscles are like your heart's silent helpers, pumping blood upward and keeping circulation strong even when you're sitting. And the second, standing arm squeezes. A gentle resistance move where you clasp your palms together and press for 10 seconds. It may look easy, but this single motion engages your chest and shoulder muscles, improving upper body circulation and helping your heart maintain rhythm. Clinical studies in cardiac rehabilitation have shown that these low-impact micro-movements increase oxygen flow, strengthen vascular tone, and improve balance better than a 30-minute walk. Surprised? Most people are until they try it and realize their heart rate rises. Their joints feel looser and their energy lasts longer through the day. But here's the key. It's not just about doing them. It's about how you do them that makes all the difference. Asterisk now, here's where it gets truly eye-opening. When you start doing these 2 simple moves, the seated leg lifts and the standing arm squeezes, your heart immediately responds. Blood flow improves, oxygen delivery to your brain increases. And that morning sluggishness you thought was just old age begins to fade. Many seniors report feeling lighter, more stable, and surprisingly more alert, often within days. But let's be clear. Ignoring this can have real consequences. When those deep leg and chest muscles stay inactive, your circulation slows, your heart works harder, and the fatigue creeps in quietly. It's like rust building up inside your body, slowly, silently, until one day you realize it's not just tiredness, it's weakness. And that's why surgeons are sounding the alarm. Because while walking keeps your body moving, it doesn't fully train the systems that keep your heart young. These 2 moves do. They retrain your heart's support network, spark the dormant muscle pumps, and reawaken balance and endurance, the very things that define healthy aging. Imagine having the same energy to enjoy your mornings again. Sharper focus and the strength to climb stairs without hesitation. That's not wishful thinking. That's biology finally working for you again. Asterisk, here's the best part. You don't need a gym, fancy equipment, or even perfect balance to do these. You can start right from your chair or while standing near a wall for support. Begin with 5 slow seated leg lifts. Raise one leg at a time, hold for a count of 5, then switch. Feel that light burn in your thighs. That's your heart's helper muscle waking up. Then move to the standing arm squeeze. Press your palms together in front of your chest. Push gently for 10 seconds, then relax. Repeat 5 times. It might seem small, but inside your body, these movements send powerful waves of oxygen-rich blood through your heart and brain. You can even do them while watching TV or before your morning tea. Just a few minutes a day can make your heart feel decades younger, your steps lighter, and your confidence stronger. Remember, it's not about how long you move, it's about how smartly you move. Asterisk, so, the next time you think about your daily walk, remember this movement isn't about distance anymore, it's about activation. Those 2 simple moves might just be the secret to keeping your heart young and your body strong well into your 80s and beyond. But here's something most people don't know. If you pair these movements with one common household habit, you can double their benefits in less than a week. In my next video, I'll reveal what that habit is and why heart specialists are quietly recommending it to their older patients. You don't need long walks, gym memberships, or miracle pills. You just need the right moves and one small change. So stay tuned, because what you'll discover next could completely rewrite what you believe about healthy aging.